Hi guys, welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm going to show you this GSX250R, Suzuki's entry-level 250 into the A2 legal market, and it is absolutely stunning. Finished in the Suzuki MotoGp blue colours, 250 cc's as you'd expect, making just over 25 brake horsepower. It's a lovely first bike, nice and low, economical, really easy transition from a 125. So this is a two-owner bike with just 440 miles on the clock. Obviously full service history and the remainder of Suzuki's 3-year warranty. It's a 2018 bike. Comes with ABS on the single disc at the front. Fully digital dash, which I'll show you in a second. It is immaculate. There's no marks, no scrapes, no scratches. It's completely unmolested. Still got the knobbly bits on the tyre, as you can see. Fully ULEZ compliant for those of you who are looking to commute into emission zones. Apologies, the bike's a bit damp. It is a bit moist out here today. As you'd expect, everything is as new. Chains, sprockets, brakes, all the suspension components. Original toolkit comes with the bike, both keys. Yeah, absolutely everything. It is as new. Absolutely stunning. As I said, fully digital dash, which is quite nice. It's a negative. Normally they're white with black, but this is black with white, which is quite cool. All the standard controls that you'd expect. Slightly higher bars, so again, you know, talking about this transition from a 125 to something that's got the sporty looks, but without the kind of bum up, head down riding position. So quite an easy bike to transition onto. I'll give it a whirl over so you can hear the engine. So as I said, this is a 250cc parallel twin motor. Quite talky for a little 250. It's a shame they didn't go all the way for the 300. But this bike definitely holds its own in the A2 market. As with any bike, we can supply a host of aftermarket accessories. So if you want the seat cowl, RNG tail tidy, exhaust, anything like that, we can supply with the bike. And you'll get a 10% discount either with the bike or post-delivery or collection. We can arrange collection if you like, or delivery at the buyer's cost, and as I mentioned, it will come with the remainder of Suzuki's warranty anyway, so absolutely no worries in terms of reliability, and you shouldn't have, because it's only done 400 miles. It's quite a nice sounding little thing. Any questions or queries, feel free to ask, put them in the comments below, drop us a line at bikecentury.co.uk. Find us on Facebook, or you can message us on WhatsApp. And yeah, we look forward to seeing or speaking to you soon. Take care.